Ooh. Those six filmers get break outside. Yeah, it's a good picture place here. What is that? It's so weird because I feel so like at home here at this park because my dad used to live up there and we used to like come here every weekend. So even though it's like Newport, it's just like, you know those like weird little places that just make you feel like comfort?
Yeah.
That, like, this is it for me.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, like I know
Oh,
it's just like
bless.
Newport, it's just like in the middle of Newport, but it's just like a little like nook of like happiness.
That's so
Because
cute.
Newport doesn't have many like cute places, does it?
Mm.
So it's quite nice here. Even though there's like Sainsbury's over there, this kind of feels like nice. Do you remember when Adam did like baking? It was the most diabolical thing ever.
Oh my god. No way, I forgot about that. That's funny.
Like a cookie or something.
I think it was like a brownie. To make it with vegetables.
Oh yeah, it was like a courgette brownie. Veggie brownie.
Random thing to make.
Yeah, like, obviously it's not going to be good. It's not like chocolate out of fucking coconuts. Out of fucking carrots.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, healthy brownies, guys, out of vegetables. I wonder how often they get banana cake. Oh, they don't care.
They do not care.
It's been a lucky day. First ever time trying like a cake. That's like, bro. Don't care. Have you seen it?
One of them is a bit curious, isn't it?
He's like, oh, banana cake.
It's like weird.
Yeah. I've never tried that.
Why do they just not care?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, buddy. I would love to, but I'm on a diet.
Yeah.
This thing, oh, it's so weird. It's like honey and like, did you try it? It's like honey and I don't know how I feel about this. Snap. Oh, that's not very nice. It's kind of weird. I'm doing a what's it called? Darks. A park vlog with bestie Giulia. Oh my god, you see that guy right up there on that bridge?
Yeah.
He was like my neighbour, but he was really weird.
Really?
He was my neighbour.
What did you do?
his name's Dave, and he has like a stutter, and he's like a bit autistic.
Ah.
He was like my neighbour when I lived up there. He's really nice actually.
I love ducks' little legs.
Yeah.
So cute.
They are really cute.
Good old ducks.
Are they having a scrap? Oh my god, look at them scrapping.
Oh my god. They're like, I want that piece of banana cake.
Hey, yeah. Come on, lads. Come on,
I bet
lads.
it's like a love triangle on it.
It's like
That duck wanted the,
It's like
the
Twilight.
lady duck, and then the male duck's like, no,
do you want down to duck?
get off my lady duck. Down to duck.
Wow. So lovely here.
Lovely.
Oh, I love these willow trees.
You're like if it's zooming in your little.
Zoom, yeah.
It's like when your mum like takes a picture and they zoom in.
Yeah, but whenever I'm like, Mum, take a picture, she always does that.
Oh my god.
God damn, the colours are so beautiful. This is just so lovely being in nature. I love nature.
It is lovely.
It's so nice. Why does no one from sixth form come here? No one is here. We are here all alone.
Oh, whoever was yawning, jeez Louise.
Why has no one come here? It's lovely. And they're like, yeah, that's right. Fuck off, mate.
Don't try to hit on my girlfriend ever again.
Never again, bro.
Wait, ducks are so cute. Oh my god, they're actually so cute now that I think about it. Just look at their face.
Yeah, why are they so
adorable.
shiny and
They're
like?
so adorable.
Look how amazing he looks. He knows he's hot, doesn't he?
He's like the duck sigma.
Yeah.
She's like.
He's like, how are you fine ladies today?
Raising up the lady duck.
Yeah. Wait, I just realised. Do you remember when we came here? It was like really like there was like loads of like tall grass. There was only like this much water, wasn't there? We were like sitting on that rock. It was a long time ago.
Don't remember.
And you know there was like rat-a-tat-tats.
Yeah.
Do you remember Dorothy?
Rat-a-tat. No, I remember that. I don't remember the grass bit.
Yeah. Thinking about it, where are the lady ducks? It's all just boys.
How do you know?
Oh, so the boys, they have like green on them. They have the colour, and then the girls are like plain.
Oh.
There's one girl over there sleeping, but I can only see one girl.
Oh my god.
The girls are just like brown.
Cygnus.
Yeah, they're literally all boys, but that one slut, that one cum slut, that one duck slut right there.
All the lads are like, yeah.
Yeah.
Baby girl.
Yeah, baby girl, she's just sleeping. Oh, there's one there. That's a girl. Can you tell the difference? I wonder what they're talking about.
They're like,
They're having
Brenda.
they're having a deep convo right there.
Yeah.
They actually are.
John. John.
Look at John.
Or they're like,
Yeah.
they're gossiping about like the ducks over there.
She's like, oh my god, she's such a cum slut. And she's like, oh my god, yeah, I know, I'm just one of the lads. I'm just so one of the guys.
What are they doing? All of them three together over there.
Oh my god, yeah.
What are they ever doing? Like rock, paper, scissors? No, not.
They're fighting.
What are they doing? Jesus Christ. Another fight? What's happening?
Ah,
with
that looks harsh.
Jeez.
What the fuck? Nature is insane, isn't
That's
it?
crazy. What the fuck? Look, he's like chasing them.
Please don't kill
Why
each
are they,
other.
like, fucking fighting? Oh my god, Jesus. It's like, yeah, go away, fuck you, bud.
Oh my god, yeah,
Fuck you,
for real.
duck.
The girl's like, oh my god, all
And
the
look, he's
lads fight over me. Well, he's fast.
Jesus, like, yeah, guys. I've defeated.
That's my bitch. They're so funny.
That was hilarious. That poor little duck, bro.
I know.
Well, I say poor, maybe in the duck
Duck universe.
He like did something horrible.
Yeah.
He like cheated on his
Yeah. What time is it? 8:58. Oh, we better go in like 2 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Should we give ourselves 10 minutes talk or 15 minutes? I think 15 minutes.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't mind. I do.
It's quite far away actually, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my lord.
That guy's like, yeah, come with me, baby girl.
Lads.
What is happening, lads?
Oh my god, lads. Guys, Jonathan, this isn't you.
Guys.
Jonathan, stop.
Oh, but love grows.
Oh, he's coming out.
Rosemary goes.
He's like, hey, baby gal.
Nobody knows like me. I really like that song.
Oh yeah.
People, she talks kind of lazy, and people say she's crazy. And I love her endlessly. Oh, but love knows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me.
Should we go at like 2:01?
Okay. Fair. That is a deal, my friend.
We got one more minute.
Yes, my friend.
Yes.
These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do.
One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Oh my god, what is he doing? You know what? Life seems fun being a duck. Just splashing around. I wonder if you ever get bored of it though.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kind of funny, her hair's kind of wild and free. Oh, but love goes where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me.
I wonder how old these ducks are. I don't know how old ducks can get.
Ooh, I don't know.
What if they're like 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, we better go now. Oh, it's been so much fun. I never want to leave. I want to be here forever.
Hey, hello.